Dr. Mrutyunjay Mohapatra, Director General of the Met Department, the IMD Chief, is joining us on this broadcast. Dr. Mohapatra, thank you for joining us. Just tell us first, sir, considering Andhra Pradesh is going to be hit directly by the cyclone, when will the worst be over for the state?
The severe cyclone storm Montha will hit Andhra Pradesh coast near Kakinada around evening to night of today. Under its influence, already gale wind speed reaching 80 kilometers per hour is prevailing along and off Andhra Pradesh coast, and near the center of the cyclone it is 90 to 100 kilometers per hour. So at the time of landfall, which will be completed by midnight of today, the wind speed will go on increasing up to 90 to 100 kilometers per hour, gusting to 110 kilometers per hour along and off Andhra Pradesh coast, and especially the area about 100 kilometers to the north of Kakinada and to the south of Kakinada.
Okay.
This wind speed can cause uprooting of trees, breaking of tree branches, and also large-scale damage to thatched houses, huts, and slums. It can have the partial disruption in telecommunications and power communications. There can be uprooting or bending of poles. And in addition to this structural damage, there could be a damage to the standing crops, etc., because of these strong winds. There will be heavy to extremely heavy rainfall, which is continuing during past 24 hours over Andhra Pradesh. And it can lead to coastal flooding, urban flooding, and low-lying area inundations.
Okay.
In addition to this one, there will be 1 meter height storm surge or tidal wave above astronomical tide, which will inundate low-lying areas of Andhra Pradesh, especially North Andhra Pradesh.
So then, Dr. Mohapatra, in this kind of a weather system and the kind of bands that we're seeing right now, what's going to impact these coastal areas more? What's going to create maximum damage? Is it the winds or the rain? What's necessitated these mass evacuations of thousands of people?
It is a multi-hazard phenomenon. So there is the combined impact of the wind and rainfall. And rainfall, we are expecting extreme heavy rainfall, therefore it can cause floods. We have got Godavari river there, the river catchment, and also we have got Bangsadhara, Rosikulya, and Nagabali rivers in South Odisha and adjoining areas. They are also heavy to extreme heavy rainfall will be there. So all these can lead to localized flooding, and also river and flooding cannot be avoided. But most important point, another I will tell you, there are many urban areas in this part of the country. So therefore, urban flooding also can be expected. The next one I will tell you, we have the Eastern Ghats in North Andhra Pradesh, South Odisha, and adjoining Telangana and South Chhattisgarh. And the hill peaks are also quite high here. So this area is prone for landslides, mudslides, landslip or mudslip. So therefore, we can expect also the landslides.
I want to understand from you, Dr. Mohapatra, I want to understand from you, if you were to compare this cyclone to others, how bad is Cyclone Montha? If I were to compare it to all the other cyclones, the other storms that have hit the east coast of late?
If I look at the recent cyclone, it is very similar to Cyclone Dana, which crossed Odisha coast near Bhitarkanika on 25th October 2024. At that time, wind speed was 100 to 110 kilometers per hour, gusting 120 kilometers per hour, and here it is 90 to 100 kilometers per hour, gusting 110 kilometers per hour. Therefore, impact in terms of wind will be similar to that of Dana.
Okay, understood. Dr. Mohapatra, thank you for joining us. We'll hopefully be able to reconnect with you tomorrow as well to get a sense of what's expected in the aftermath of Cyclone Montha. Through the night, we understand that's when you will see the maximum impact of the cyclones.